Looking for speaker connectors that seamlessly link your factory harness to your car's speakers? These connectors are tailored for select Mazda vehicles from 1990 to 2000, including the 323 and Protege models, making installation straightforward and reliable. What makes these connectors stand out is their easy connection process. You simply press them firmly onto your existing factory connector, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Users have praised their compatibility with Boston Acoustics systems, especially in Jeep models like the Grand Cherokee 2006. One satisfied customer shared how this product worked perfectly for the front dash speakers of their 2014 Ram 1500. Although it required slight modifications, like widening the insides and removing a tab, the connector fit like a glove once adjusted, promising a durable and lasting connection. If you're upgrading your sound system and want a hassle-free installation, these connectors offer a reliable solution without the need for complex wiring changes. Their design ensures compatibility with Chrysler vehicles equipped with Boston Acoustics sound systems, broadening their usefulness beyond just Mazda models. Keep in mind, this isn't the Metra 72-7902 model, so make sure it matches your vehicle's specifications. However, the positive reviews and proven fit on various vehicles highlight the quality and versatility of this product. If you want a solid connection for your dash speakers or similar setups, these connectors deliver what you need. They're built to last and designed to integrate smoothly with your car's existing wiring harness. Worth a look if you're aiming for a clean, factory-like installation without extra fuss. The small tweaks some users make don't take much effort and result in a perfect fit that stays secure over time. Try these speaker connectors when you're ready to upgrade your sound system. They offer an easy, dependable way to connect your speakers and enjoy better audio quality without the usual installation headaches.